Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can clone your own voice with Retell AI. In order to do so, here we are at retellai.com, and what we're looking for can be found further down here. Well, we can find it in documentation as well. If you scroll down here, you will see that we can visit our docs. So you can click there, you can click in the documentation. And once you get here, easiest thing to do is just to type in clone, and that's going to bring you to this page here where it is going to give the instructions on how to build a custom voice. So you can customize your AI agents with 11 Labs community voices or train a voice clone for a unique sound. If existing voices don't meet your needs, you can add a custom voice. There's a limit of 100 custom voices per account. So in the voice selector, you can add custom voice to search and add 11 Labs community voices. You can add a voice clone by clicking add custom voice in the voice selector for 11 Labs voice. Open the voice selector for 11 Labs voice and click add custom voice and train your voice for 11 Labs. Upload your voice recordings to train the voice clone. Note that you can also add community voices by voice name for 11 Labs. So that's all you need to know in order to clone your own voice with Retell AI. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business and offers tailored solutions to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist on Sintra. It has all the information on how to get started, and if you click on the link in the link tree, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Also, check out Simply Financial. If you're looking for an online bank, click on the link in the link tree. You can get $50 to open an account and $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank, and personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.